Lesson number 14. Standing fatha, standing kasra, upside down dhamma, inverted dhamma. Note for teachers. Standing fatha, standing kasra, and upside down dhamma are a kind of madda letters. They do not look like madda letters, but their pronunciation is equivalent to madda letters.
Ba standing fatha ba, ba standing kasra bi, ba standing dhamma bu, ta standing fatha ta, ta standing kasra ti, ta standing dhamma tu, sa standing fatha tha, sa standing kasra thi, sa standing dhamma thu, jim standing fatha ja, jim standing kasra ji, jim standing dhamma ju, ha standing fatha ha, ha standing kasra hi, ha standing dhamma hu, kha standing fatha kha, kha standing kasra khi, kha standing dhamma khu, dal standing fatha da, dal standing kasra di, dal standing dhamma du, zal standing fatha da, zal standing kasra di, zal inverted dhamma du, ra standing fatha ra, ra standing kasra di, ra standing dhamma ru, za standing fatha za, za standing kasra zi, za inverted dhamma zu, sin standing fatha sa, sin standing kasra si, sin standing dhamma su, shin standing fatha sha, shin standing kasra shi, shin standing dhamma shu, sad standing fatha sa, sad standing kasra si, sad standing dhamma su, dad standing fatha da, dad standing kasra di, dad standing dhamma du,